Hello guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua and we are back to our latest weather analysis for this Thursday to Saturday, December 28 to 30, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Boitis Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bodado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. So let's begin now with our update. Here's the latest Thu-Sat for today, Thursday, until tomorrow, Friday, December 29. We have the northeast monsoon still affecting the northern and central portions of Luzon, but within the next 24 hours this will weaken and it will just retreat over the area of Taiwan and the West Philippine Sea, and here across the Bicol region, Visayas, Palawan, Mimaropa, rest of Mimaropa and eastern Mindanao, we have the warm Easterlies bringing some good weather with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon or evening, becoming more frequent here across eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. And for the fast animation, it's all clear across the Philippine Islands. No weather disturbances developing outside of the Philippine area of responsibility as we move into the remaining days of 2023. As we check now on the latest zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, you can clearly see here some good weather all across the country with patches of isolated thunderstorms roaming in very small areas of the Philippines, like here over northern Quezon, Camarines Norte. There's also one here over the eastern portion of Davao region. So far so good. We are not expecting any inclement weather through the New Year's Eve. And for the wind pressure and rain forecast, by tomorrow, Friday, we expect the Easterlies will bring another round of afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across eastern Visayas and the eastern sections of Mindanao. Some showers will also be expected over the Bicol region, but so far it's generally fair with cloudy conditions throughout Friday. By Saturday afternoon, we expect isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao, some portions of the Visayas and the Bicol region, particularly during the afternoon or evening. But in the morning, we expect good weather. And on New Year's Eve, December 31st, there will be a possibility of a afternoon or evening rain showers or thunderstorms in some parts of the Bicol region, southern Tagalog provinces, Mindoro, Samar, Panay, and Negros, and also across the eastern sections of Mindanao, that includes Caraga and Davao region. So far, it's gonna be light from the east to variable winds across southern Luzon and Visayas, while light northeasterly monsoonal flow or weak Amihan will be expected across the northern coastal areas of Luzon and the eastern sections of Luzon as well. Okay, and for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until December 31st, we expect the bulk of the rainfall along the coastal areas or coastal waters of the Bicol region, those facing the east, and also the eastern sections of Samar and eastern Leyte, as well as the coastal waters or coastal areas of Caraga because of the easterly wind flow. And for the wave forecast from windy.com, it's generally light to moderate waves from the east and northeast, around 1.5 to 2.1 meters, and this is the wave that is occurring to the north of Bicol region over the Philippine Sea. That's 2.1 today, and by tomorrow afternoon, Friday, we expect same waves expected across the eastern sections of the country from 1.5 to around 2 meters. Okay, while over the West Philippine Sea, it's currently at 2.5 to 3 meters because of the northeast monsoon. And on Saturday, December 30, the waves will slightly be a little lower from 2 to 1.5 meters. That will be light to moderate waves. And on Sunday, we expect much lower wave height of 1 to 1.5 meters all throughout the coastal waters of the Philippine Islands, but over the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, particularly over Sulu Archipelago and Visayan Sea, it's calm to around 0.5 meters when it comes to the wave heights. Okay, so that's the good news for those who want to travel across the different islands of the Philippines. It's generally calm to light. Okay, and before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, issued yesterday, December 27, Wednesday, valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks. On week 2, valid January 3 to January 9, 2024, the Philippine Islands will remain quiet with below average rainfall of more than 50% across eastern Mindanao and eastern Visayas because of the ongoing El Nino. For week 3, valid January 10 to January 16, 2024, it will remain quiet across the Philippine Islands with below average rainfall of more than 50% extending across the whole of Visayas and northern Mindanao, including Zamboanga del Norte. So we expect below average rainfall across these areas, but this is still on week 3, so we expect the uncertainty will remain high, and by next week we will be issuing, or we'll be retrieving another hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. Okay, so everything is quiet, it's all good, all the weather is generally pleasant. Okay, and including the northeast monsoon is currently on a break, only affecting Taiwan and the northernmost part of the South China Sea. So everything is clear when it comes to travel and outdoor activities. Not a problem at all. Okay, so again, that's the latest, and we will return this New Year's Eve, or probably December 30, this coming weekend, to give you the very latest on the weather situation across the Philippine Islands and nearby areas. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying belated Merry Christmas to all, and advance Happy New Year, and we'll see you again in the next couple of days. God bless, and thank you so much for watching our channel.